In this video, we'll show the 5 best anti-fog safety glasses on the market. Let's get started with the video to choose the best one for your needs. Number 1. Most popular 3M Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. Packed with features, this ANSI Z87 approved pair of safety glasses from 3M not only resists high impact but also provide UV protection, have foam templates for added comfort, and an attractive sporty design. These anti-fog glasses eliminate fogging, reduce water sports even in humid weather, and are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Designed for challenging situations such as hot and humid conditions, indoor and outdoor work, physically demanding tasks, and climate-controlled areas. Low-profile protective eyewear provides soft nose bridge and padded temples for added comfort. Number 2. SolidWork Safety Glasses. Anyone who wears prescription glasses knows the hassle and expenses that comes with buying prescription safety glasses. But these SolidWork safety glasses are a great alternative to prescription safety glasses. Featuring lenses that are large enough to fit prescription eyeglasses underneath, the lens material on these glasses is treated with a fog-resistant coating that doesn't fog the goggles or the prescription glasses to help ensure vision or safety aren't compromised. These safety glasses have a retina edge-coated lens providing UV protection and scratch resistance. There are no harmful chemicals used on these glasses that can cause skin irritation. Number 3. NoCry Lightweight Protective Safety Glasses. With their lightweight look and feel, these safety glasses from NoCry can be worn for hours in total comfort. The wraparound design protects from debris as well as liquid splashes, and the ANSI-rated polycarbonate lenses have an anti-fog coating. This design makes them well suited for use in medical and dentistry fields as well as for outdoor sports such as cycling. The frameless design also provides ample peripheral vision that's lacking in safety glasses with full frames. Pads on the end of the earpieces helps create a snug fit that keeps the glasses in place. Number 4. B.ANGEL Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. Over-prescription safety glasses are bigger than standard versions, so they must be lightweight. This pair from B.ANGEL certainly is, but a smart design lets it go extra mile for added user comfort. The wide wraparound clear polycarbonate lens is just large enough to fit over a standard pair of prescription eyeglasses. Thanks to the cup shape, the glasses provide safety from the sides as well as the front. The arms cleverly extend from the tops of the frame before arcing down to fit behind the ears to avoid the arms of eyeglasses. Number 5. Edge SK111VS Anti-Fog Safety Glasses. For the ultimate UV protection, these Edge safety glasses comply with ANSI, ISEA, and MCEPS standards. These attractive polarized lenses offer crisp optical clarity, an anti-fog coating, and protect eyes from bright sunlight and 100% of UV rays. They are designed to be pliable and robust for extended wear. Designed with cutting-edge materials to be flexible, durable, and comfortable for extended daily wear. All Edge glasses undergo intense impact testing to ensure the highest level of performance even in treacherous conditions.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.